Okay, I'm going to solve second problem in our isometric. So this is the problem definition given. Hemisphere of 40 mm diameter is supported coaxially on the vertex of the cone of base diameter 60 mm and axis length 50 mm. The flat circular face of hemisphere is facing upside. Draw the isometric projection of the combination of the solids. Here again they are given two solids here. One is cone, another one is hemisphere. So on the cone, okay, they placed hemisphere. Again, hemisphere is exactly over the vertex of the cone. Again, one more thing is the upper face of the upside face of the hemisphere facing upside. This is the problem definition. Okay, initially we have to construct hemisphere. So sorry, what it is, cone. Okay, so let's construct the cone. So what is the diameter, base diameter of the cone? It is, the base diameter of the cone is 60 mm. For that, what I am going to do, I am going to construct a square. Okay, so use normal lines here, normal line. So what is the base diameter of the cone? It is 60 mm, right? 60 at an angle 30, enter 60 at an angle 150, again 60 at an angle minus 150, enter. Okay, so it is Z if you want to move. Okay, 60 over here, 60 at an angle, enter at an angle minus 150, then join this. So then after that, join opposite corners, then again. So these are the two opposite lines for this corner. Okay, this is the midpoint of this line. Again, so this is the midpoint. And from here, this is the midpoint of this line. See, just observe the cursor. Okay, so then after that, what do you have to do? Base I am constructing arc by center point. This I am going to take it this one as a center of the arc. Then again, this is the radius. Okay, so draw the arc till here. Then again, same thing you have to do it from this corner. Okay, again take this as center. See, observe here. Now I am getting an intersection mark there. Again, this is the radius. So join this again. So this is the center of the arc. Again, join this. So this is the base. Okay, then after that, join. What is the height of the cone? The height of the cone is how much? The axis length 50 mm. So that is from here. So I'm going to select center line here. See here, center. So from this point, height is 50 at an angle 90. Say enter. So then again, over this. So this is the vertex of the cone. Then select normal line. So from this vertex, draw the tangent to this circle. Okay, this is supposed to just touch this line. Just touch this circle. Not supposed to pass through this circle. Just it is a tangent. So after constructing this, what you have to do? Just move this. This is a regular scale cone. So on this vertex, this is the vertex. On this we are going to place the hemisphere. Okay, of 40 mm diameter. Okay, so what I am going to do? Just I am going to move this. Move. Turn on the copy command and place it here. So then after that, scale. Turn off the copy command. The scale factor is 0.816. 6. Okay, say enter. So now see, this is the difference. So this is regular scale, this is iso scale. So now we have to place the hemisphere over this. Okay, so what is the height of this? So what we can do here itself, we can construct what is the diameter of this hemisphere. So it is 40 mm, diameter is 40 mm, right? So that is 40 mm, nothing but, so 20 from here, the height is 20. Okay, 20 into 0.20 into 0.816, enter at an angle 90. So what you can do here, so initially here itself just construct the 20 mm line, okay, then at an angle 90, then convert whole thing, this one, convert this whole thing and then place it over here. Both are same, either construct here, both are same. So that is nothing but, I will show you what I'm trying to say. Just delete. So just select this, then move and place it here. Now convert this iso scale. Convert this one to iso scale. 0.816 centimeter. So see here, both are same. Okay, after this, so what is the diameter of the base? So diameter of the hemisphere is 40 mm. So this is 60, right? This base is 60. So it is already converted to iso scale, right? Right. What you have to do here, so move this term, move this base, okay, move from here and place it here. Okay, so turn on the copy command. Then after that, so again use scale, so use this one as a center. Okay, what is the scale factor? 0.816. So this base is 60, right? We want 40 mm diameter here. So what do you have to do? 40 divided by 60 you have to enter in scale factor. See here, I am entering 40 divided by 60 here. Okay, say enter. Now this is 40 mm base, sorry, upper face. So after this, what do you have to do? Arc by center point. From this center, okay, end point, draw the circle. So that completes problem. Still, these are we used a construction line. What you have to do? You have to delete unwanted lines. Okay, delete this. Okay, before deleting that, just I am trying to turn off this. Keep this one here itself. Okay. This one, examiner may ask these things also, how you constructed this. So what I'm going to do, just I'm going to keep these construction lines over here. Then again, now I'm going to delete. Okay, see, just these are the construction lines. That this is also we don't want. Then again, see here, be careful when you are deleting this also. Use trim option, then use zoom this area. Then see here, you have to delete this also. Okay, then again, still here also some portions left. this area, then trim this. Okay, then again make this one as visible. Then after that, this is not visible line, this is center line. This completes problem number 2. Okay.